maging magaling. Takot ba kayo sa baha? Huwag kayong mag-alala. Nasa inyong harapan ang reyna ng flight control. My name is Sarah. Sarah Di Kaya. Sarah Di Kaya, 44 years of age. Took a Bachelor of Flight Control Major in Ghost Project, University of Department of Public Works in the Highways, Main Branch. Sa candidate number 7, guro pala kayo, ba't dito nga nagturo? This program is brought to you by Lucky Me. Kahit mahusay, Lucky Me. Kahit sexy, Lucky Me. Kahit nakususo, Lucky Me. Matapaman ako sa inyong paningin. Pero sa ganitong katimpalan, may baklang matapa, alak ang katapa. For I'm proud to represent kung saan naging professional at chismis. Boom! Boom! Bunyagan!